Been weird, and it don't look good. Who you gonna call? I ain't afraid of no ghosts.
Kind of fun. Low-key fun.
I wanna be a terminal. I want to have a terminal team.
They should add new monsters though. I-add nila si Epstein.
Yung evidence na is added linkage.
Tahimik mo na ka.
Yeah. Epstein and Diddy.
Lucky, tahimik mo ah.
There's a pentagram. Pentagram, di ba yan? Sa pentagram.
Where's the pentagram?
Wait, ilan yung EMFC?
Oh my god. Yeah, is 3. Maximum 3.
You know you can actually summon the ghost using that pentagram.
You know, I don't care.
Fuck you.
You can summon the ghost using the pentagram.
Bro doesn't want to talk to me. Bro
Uy,
doesn't want
mouth
to talk to
nyo.
me. Oh, it's moving, it's moving, it's moving.
Yung ano
It's writing
team?
something. You know, yung book.
Evidence
Check.
is ghostwriting.
May ghost writing.
I can't see a thing.
May ghost writing.
Okay, so it's a fear. It could be a fear.
Wala ba kayong matches? Ano yung EMF level?
Check mo nga yung app mo.
3 yung maximum kanina, so far number 2.
There, walang ano. Okay, no. So, no handprints. Nothing wrong with the ring.
I wonder kung merong...
No spirit box. No spirit box. No EMF level 5. Could be a Wendigo.
Wait lang. Wala kayong ano,
Could be a
matches.
How do you think it's a Wendigo?
Because next ko na lahat ng other na ano, na evidence that would point out otherwise. Would be a Wendigo. Kasi wala namang ano, walang handprint, there's no spirit projection.
Sure na ba yan?
There's no temperature, walang temperature din. There
Wala nga
is
temperature.
EMF level 5, wala. So, all things considered, could be Wendigo. How about the temperature?
Wala.
Walang iba.
Wait, it's
So, goes on laser
8.36.
protector. Walang laser protector. He could not be in the room, to be honest. Baka wala siya sa room. Siyempre ito, could not be in that room.
Kasi iba yung room siya.
Wala pa siyang room.
Wala
Not
talaga.
here.
Wait lang. Actually, 6.5 lang dito. Oh. It's 5.63 yung ano, sa bathroom. Normal naman yung iba.
That's
Kaya nga, could be Wendigo. He's not here.
Cruising camp.
Oh? Not here? Not here?
Wala siya dito
Hello?
eh.
Lahi. Who's not here?
Where are you?
Where are you? I'm Brandon.
He's not here.
Dito talaga tayo parang, wait,
Level 2.
it's 3.15.
Everything have it.
3. Level 3.
Yeah, could be Wendigo. That ghost orb. Also no ghost orb.
Kung may makita kong white sa ano, sa video.
Ayan o, magaling sa orb.
May Mao? May Ghost Orb?
I don't know.
Okay, could be Wendigo.
Could still be Wendigo.
Definitely Wendigo.
4.
And the Wendigo.
Where's the
Yeah, I feel like
Wendigo?
it's Wendigo.
Ghost Orb. May laser projector ba?
Press up. Ghostwriting wala itong only 2.
Ghostwriting and orbs.
Ghostwriting and orb lang.
Wait, yan mo yata. Wait. Haman 9.91 yan sa bedroom mo. And 1.52 tayo. Ay, wait. Negative. Yeah, negative. Yes, ano mo? Temperature.
Freezing temps.
Yes. Dapat mat negative. Tapos, positive. Sa gawin narang imaw.
Oh,
Fuck.
shit.
Uh-oh. Level 4 in the bathroom and I'm dead.
Wait lang, help, guys, help! Tangina nyo!
This is so silly.
Anyway,
Jade, are you good? Are you good?
I'm dead. So,
Oh,
am I
shit.
dead is relative.
Is it
So,
safe?
nasa may freezing temperature.
Yes. Actually, ka-random or freezing temperature.
Okay, so it might be moving around. Freezing temps, ghostwriting, and ghost orb.
They give us nothing.
Yeah, that gives us nothing. Okay, so no ghost orb. It's either Revenant or Skinwalker. Hot ruled out. So, could be Skinwalker. Kasi... Oh, shit.
Oh, they can fake those orb evidence.
Wait lang, let me check the spirit box. So that...
That's not bad. Could be still okay.
Yeah, can be a skinwalker.
Yeah, could be a Skinwalker.
Skinwalker na ah. I'm,
Is
Why
that
are you
talking?
scared?
I'm scared.
I don't understand.
Ano? No, walang spirit box kasi be. No spirit box, so it could be Revenant.
But you guys are correct na umaano siya. He's going all over the place.
Yep. Okay, Revenant sa akin. Bala na kayo.
Kasi I can literally see him. I can literally see him.
What? Revenants?
Revenant ba?
Revenant, I think.
Ay, tanga. Okay, edi Revenant.
Wala siya ano eh. Walang spirit box.
Okay, let's go na.
I confirm na. Okay.
No, Revenant.
Revenant tapos.
Naputay na ako.
Okay, let's do it.
Revenant, di ba? Ay, Skinwalker!
It was Skinwalker!